Welcome to this Runtime Details tutorial. In this video, we are showcasing the Sandbox workflow, a powerful architecture that allows you to live-edit active assets, such as materials, engine shaders, and Niagara system, directly on packaged builds without ever restarting the game. First, let's live-edit a material. We select this static mesh actor. Down in its properties, we locate the static mesh component and find the override materials array. We right-click the first material and select Bind to Sandbox. This isolates this specific component's material reference. Now, we open that material in the editor and change its emissive color. To push this change, we right-click the material in the content browser and hit Sync Sandbox. Once the patch is sent over the network, the client updates instantly. Notice that even though this original material is shared by multiple models in the scene, only our targeted cube changes because it is safely isolated in the sandbox. Next, let's go deeper and modify an engine shader. We will open the base pass pixel shader file and directly modify the emissive variable color logic. After saving the file, we switch back to the material editor and click Apply. This forces the engine to recompile our material using the updated shader code. Once compiled, we simply right-click our sandboxed material in the content browser and select Sync Sandbox. The plugin pushes the new shader bytecode. When the patch completes, the engine shader modification takes effect live on the client, strictly isolated to our cube, and with 0 restarts. This dynamic binding is a universal architecture. Let's apply it to a Niagara particle system. We select a Niagara actor, locate the asset property on its Niagara component, and choose Bind to Sandbox. We open the Niagara system asset in the editor. To completely change the visual effect, we will disable this active emitter and turn on these two previously deactivated ones. Finally, right-click the Niagara system in the content browser, hit Sync Sandbox, and the particle system instantly updates on the live client. The Sandbox architecture completely eliminates repackaging and restarts for active assets, letting you iterate in seconds. Thanks for watching.